Hello, hello. All right. We currently have 2 minutes until market open. Employment data coming out today, so I'm expecting a lot of volatility over it. Looking for a little trades. We still on the eval account. We either gonna end off at 2K on the eval account today, which will leave me 1,000 away from profit target, or we're probably gonna lose that account today. We just have to see. As long as we're actually getting trade setups, we just wait and we just see. 1 minute until market open. Let's see how we get down, huh? There's the open volatility going off right there. Setup coming soon, so I'm gonna just be back and see what we see, man. Bro, something that's funny about being a trader, bro, is that you literally sit here and watch the bars move more than you actually trade. It's kind of funny. How it's like when you first get into trading, the main thing that you would think is like, okay, let me take some trades. But once you actually like know about trading and you know what you're doing, you can't do that. You just gotta sit here, man. Then you truly understand why everybody say that trading is boring. I could just sit on my phone, but that shit gonna get boring too. Well, overall trend looking like, overall trend looking bearish. Okay. We might be having a bullish setup coming up soon. If we get a nice retracement plus a good move out of the retracement, then I'm willing to take this setup. This looking good to me. I'm liking this. This retracement's not deep enough. There we go. Now I'd be willing to take a little entry if we get a decent play off of this. Oh yeah, we got some room to move right here. I'm liking this. We get a move to the upside on this candle. I'll take it.
Order
All right, I'm
filled.
in. Let's see. Let's choke up on the stop a little bit. See if we can get that move right there. Liking that entry right there. We'll see what happened with it though. I'm really trying to go ahead and get a get a little break even on it. I could really avoid losing the account. I'm like a full loss away from losing the account, and or maybe like a big part of a full loss, like a partial loss, and the account is most likely gone. So yeah. All right, I'm going break even on that. All right, we see if we can go ahead and catch a trade all the way up. I do feel like that's a little bit far for the TP, but I do feel like there is definitely it's definitely possible that we could get a move up to there. So, we'll see. Especially since the market is jumping back and forth like this. I feel a little bit more comfortable with my take profit being all the way up there, but we'll just have to see. I'm right for you either way you go. To me for time. And we fail to move higher off of this, and we might as well call it cooked. Because we're moving above this high, we're moving above this high right here. So this is essentially a retest. Testing to see if the buyer is actually gonna be able to stay in power. Okay, we're getting a little bit of a move up. I might scale in position a little bit.
Order filled. Order
Yeah,
filled.
actually I will.
Order filled. Order filled.
You can get a move past that, and that would be amazing. Amazing, amazing. Honestly, I don't want to give back all this profit. So I set it around here. That's pretty reasonable right there. We can't get out. If we don't get a push up off of that, I'm okay with being stopped right here. We gonna keep moving. We gonna keep moving. I'm holding all the way to here. I like that we sitting around 1,000 right now though. We are making big moves up. Like I said, I'm expecting to see a move up to here. So I'm okay with my TP being that far away. Like this. I'm liking this. I'm liking this. Yes. We need this to keep pushing. We get a little bit more volatility. I'm gonna lock up just a little bit more profit, I guess. I lock up 600. Let's see if we can go ahead and get a move to the upside. This is essentially a retest. Let's allow that much room. If we get stopped, we just stop.
Order filled.
All right, I'll take it. I am willing to go for a re-entry, but because of the fact that buyers have moved so high up throughout all of this, I'm willing to take out early right in here, just in case buyers do get exhausted and then they just have one huge fall. Yeah, and that's a good thing that I got out early because this would have been a break-even trade right here. So that's good trade management. We up 600 on that. We secured a little bit of profit off of that trade. Now we look for another setup now. We have a potential bearish setup coming in. Like it's still kind of playing off this range. Overall, it is trying to move up. Oh shit, hold on. Potential bearish setup coming in. Look at that mob. But anyway, we are um we are moving up overall on it, which I'm kind of expecting at the moment, but I don't know if it's gonna move up immediately because of the fact that it's in this huge range that's been going on in like the, you know what I'm saying, in the medium term.
Order filled.
We moved break even at half profit. We got another execution going on currently. See, we had 300. We moved break even at 500 on the profit. That's 500. We're break even. Now we watch the trade waterfall, man. This will be last trade execution of the day if this hits. What?
Order filled.
All right, there we go. We hit TP. Currently up 2.2 on the eval. We got 800 to go into a profit target, and we coolin', man. We off. We go next.